A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. Namaste everyone, and you all are welcome. In the modern day, whiter teeth have become more important than ever. Your pearly whites have become symbol of attractiveness, status and ability. And to give off the right impression, your teeth looking their best is number 1. There are plenty of products available to choose from when it comes to whitening your teeth. However, most of these products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concerns many people. So if you want whiter teeth but at the same time you want to avoid chemicals, then today's video is for you, because today I will be talking of many options, many ways to whiten your teeth which are natural and safe. So without any delay, let's begin with our today's video, and if you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more dental health videos like this. Keep watching. Now before we know safe and natural ways to whiten your teeth at home, there is a small advice. Choose only one method at a time, and in rotary manner you can try other methods as well. Also, if you have sensitive teeth, you need to be careful and choose right method wisely and don't overdo. First natural and safe way to whiten your teeth at home is oil pulling. Oil pulling basically removes plaque and bacteria from mouth, and this way it helps to whiten your teeth. You must choose only high quality organic coconut oil when it comes to oil pulling. 1 to 2 teaspoons you can take, swish in mouth for about 10 to 30 minutes. Do not take it in the back of your throat. Also do not swallow it. When you are done, spit it, rinse your mouth with warm water and then brush your teeth. Second effective way to whiten your teeth at home is brushing your teeth with baking soda. Baking soda has natural whitening properties. It is mild abrasive that helps scrub away surface stains from your teeth. Well, it doesn't change your teeth color overnight. You need to use it few times a week for up to 4 to 6 weeks to get the right results. To prepare the paste, you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda powder, 2 teaspoons of water, and then brush your teeth using this paste and rinse your mouth. Third method to whiten your teeth at home is use of hydrogen peroxide mouthwash. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent which also kills bacteria in your mouth. There are 2 strength hydrogen peroxide mouthwash are available at drugstores, 1.5% and 3%. If you are using 1.5% strength mouthwash, you do not need to dilute it. You can use directly 1 cap of mouthwash, swish in mouth for about 1 minute and then spit. If you are using 3% mouthwash, you need to dilute it with equal amount of water and then you have to use it, swish in mouth for around 1 minute and spit it. Whichever strength mouthwash you are using, do not drink, eat anything for about 20 minutes before and after the use of mouthwash. Hydrogen peroxide mouthwash can be used once daily for up to 3 weeks, but for those who have sensitive teeth, I suggest to use it cautiously. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide mouthwash can also be used in combination to whiten teeth at home, because one contains natural whitening properties and mild abrasives, another contains bleaching agent. All you need is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide mouthwash. Again, 1.5% strength. You do not need to dilute, but if you are using 3% strength, you definitely need to dilute before you mix it with baking soda. Although this method is very effective when it comes to teeth whitening at home, but you need to use it cautiously, especially if you have sensitive teeth, because it may erode enamel. Use it only few times a week and repeat up to 2 to 3 weeks. High quality organic apple cider vinegar can be used in small amount to whiten teeth at home. All you need is 2 teaspoons of high quality organic apple cider vinegar. To dilute it, you need 6 ounce or 180 ml of water. Mix it very well and then swish in mouth for around 30 seconds. Spit it, rinse your mouth with water and then brush your teeth. This method can be used to whiten teeth few times a week for up to few weeks. It is advisable to limit the use those who have sensitive teeth. Next natural and safe way to whiten teeth at home is using banana, orange or lemon peel. Their peel contains D-limonene or citric acid that helps to whiten your teeth. To use this method, choose banana, orange or lemon peel. Gently rub on your teeth for about 2 minutes and then thoroughly rinse your mouth with water, and after 20 minutes, brush your teeth. Well, there are also toothpaste available in today's time which contains D-limonene that helps to whiten your teeth. You can use such kind of toothpaste twice daily for up to 4 weeks to get the results. Since lemon and orange are citric acidic fruits, so it is advised to use this method in a controlled manner. Last effective way to whiten teeth at home is use of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal helps to whiten your teeth by removing pigments and stains from your teeth. It's said that it also helps to get rid of bacteria and toxins in your mouth. To use this method, you need a capsule of activated charcoal. Put the content on your toothbrush and then gently brush your teeth in small circles for about 2 minutes. You need to be careful around your gum area. Also spit it out after 2 minutes and then rinse your mouth thoroughly. Do not brush aggressively when you are using it because it contains abrasive, so it may erode the enamel. For those who have sensitive teeth, to limit the abrasiveness of charcoal, you can dab it on your teeth, leave it for 2 minutes, spit it and then rinse your mouth thoroughly. Alternatively, to whiten your teeth, you can use toothpaste containing activated charcoal. Use only soft or very soft bristle toothpaste when you are using such kind of toothpaste. Brush your teeth gently, brush it once daily for up to 4 to 6 weeks, then you can switch back to your regular toothpaste. So friends, these are some of the most effective, natural and safe ways to whiten your teeth at home. Remember, these methods are definitely helpful to whiten your teeth, but brushing your teeth using right technique twice daily with flossing is helpful not just to whiten your teeth but to maintain healthy smile in long run. Friends, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more dental health videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay fit.